Hello children. So today we are going to see grammar part. Before that, in any story there will be beginning, rising action, climax, falling action and resolution. Okay. So first you have to find out the parts of the story. What is the beginning of the story? Rising action, some problem will be there. Climax, and then falling action, resolution. How to find out the solution for that? So based on that you can write your own story also, right? Next, subject and predicate. That is what you are going to see in grammar part. When you read a sentence, you will know what is the subject. The subject tells you who or what the sentence is about. Sentence வந்து எதை பற்றி மென்ஷன் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, about whom the sentence is talking. Tanvi runs. So the subject is Tanvi. The predicate tells us something about the subject. Predicate tells you about Tanvi. What is Tanvi doing? Runs. So the predicate is runs. Subject tells you who or what the subject is about. Predicate tells us about the subject. What tells us more about Tanvi? Here runs. Okay. So that is the subject, predicate. Subject is Tanvi, runs is predicate. We will see some examples. Subject can also include modifiers and phrases. Phrases means 2 or 3 words together form a phrase. It is not a complete sentence. So this whole part of the sentence is subject. Tanvi, Mr. Nitin's 13-year-old daughter. Mr. Nitin's 13-year-old daughter is a phrase. That is about Tanvi only. So the whole thing which is given in blue here. Tanvi, Mr. Nitin's 13-year-old daughter is a subject here. Runs on the beach every day. The main verb and anything that follows it is the predicate. What is the main verb? Runs. Runs on the beach every day. That's full of predicate. So the main verb, you have to find out what is the subject, the person about whom you are talking about, the person who does the action, that is the subject. Here Tanvi, Mr. Nitin's 13-year-old daughter is the subject. Runs on the beach every day is the predicate. Now we are going to see that is a simple sentence, compound sentence, everything will be there. In that, how to find a subject is very easy. A simple sentence, that is a simple sentence is a single sentence having a single verb. Only 2 things you have to remember. It will have a single subject. Okay, it is expressing one complete idea. It will have a single subject and single predicate. That is a simple sentence. Fardeen cooks delicious biryani. So who is doing the action? Who is the main thing in this? Fardeen. So Fardeen is a subject. Cooks delicious biryani. That is a predicate. We like listening to old songs at night. We is a subject. Like listening to old songs at night is a predicate. The cat was drinking milk from the bowl. Cat is a subject. Was drinking milk from the bowl is a predicate. Next is a simple sentence express one complete idea. There are 2 things you have to keep in mind. It may have more than one subject and more than one verb. Okay. Rahul and Karan dance and sing in the musical. So Rahul and Karan is a more than one subject here. 2 subjects. That is Rahul and Karan. That is the subject. Dance and sing in the musical is the predicate. Now see here, the given examples in lead. You would have seen in lead video. Just for explaining, I taken this. A sentence with a single subject and a single predicate. You can write your own sentence. Dhriti painted the walls of her room. Dhriti, subject, painted the walls of her room, predicate. A sentence with a compound predicate. The nurse examined and applied the ointment on the wound. So here it is a compound sentence. Okay. The nurse examined, one sentence, and applied the ointment on the wound is another sentence. So the nurse is the subject here. Examined and applied the ointment on the wound is the predicate. A sentence with a compound subject. Savita, subject. Compound subject means two subjects. Savita and Surabhi, two subjects here, like climbing trees. They like climbing trees. That is a predicate. So in B sentence, compound predicate, that means two predicates are there. Examined, applied. In C sentence, two subjects are there. Savita and Surabhi. So one simple sentence plus another simple sentence equal to compound sentence. Two or more simple sentence together is called a compound sentence. I like cake plus she likes chocolates. I like cake and she likes chocolate. This is a compound sentence. So how is a compound sentence made using conjunctions? So we are going to read that. Conjunction is, here they are given one example of one conjunction is for. For means for a reason, to convey a reason. Amrita is a good dancer for he practices every day. Mia visited a dentist for her tooth has been aching. For is to tell a reason. Because use பண்ற மாதிரி for is used here. Another conjunction is and. And is to add more or similar ideas. ரெண்டு ஐடியா சேமாக இருக்கும்போது and. Zoe performed at the function and the audience was amazed at her voice. Durga went to Kochi and Shireen went to Goa last weekend. So and is similar ideas and used to join the sentence. That is another conjunction. Yet. But, we use but same way, yet. There was heavy traffic, yet we reached there on time. That is a contrast. Traffic irundhathu aanalum reach aayiten, yet we reach. I had not eaten since morning, yet I did not feel hungry. Contrast. So yet to indicate contrast. Contrast means different. We played well but we did not win the match. This is also a contrast. Sugantha took all the precautions but she fell sick. So that is but is a conjunction. Nor, neither nor. I did not do my work nor did I revise for the test. Faisal did not eat the lunch nor did he eat the dinner. Negative ideas. Observe how a compound sentence has multiple subjects. Compound sentence means multiple subjects and multiple predicates. I like cake and she likes chocolate. So which is the subject here? I, she. Like cake, likes chocolate. Both are predicate. Predicate 1, predicate 2. Two subjects, two predicate. Multiple subjects, multiple predicates. Compound sentence. So easily you can form a compound sentence from a simple sentence using a comma and a coordinating conjunction. Okay, so for a compound sentence you need coordinating conjunctions. Just now we read coordinating conjunctions. So to remember that easily, I will give you an idea. That is the acronym FAN boys. F. FAN. F-A-N. FAN. B-O-Y-S. Boys. F for A and N. Nor. See here. FAN boys. F for and, nor, but. or, yet, so, for to convey reason and similar ideas, nor negative ideas, but contrast, or stating options, yet indicate contrast, so convey reason. So fanboys remember பண்ணலாம் இதெல்லாம் conjunctions. Okay, you remember this acronym fanboys: for, and, nor, but, or, et, so. If you have any doubts you can call me. Now create compound sentence exercise is given. It started raining, the program was postponed. Two simple sentences. So put a comma and just add so the program was postponed. Which will be the correct one? Fanboys. In that you have to select. Satya spoke in Bengali and Kirti spoke in Telugu. Okay, you are adding and. Rohit did not wash his clothes, nor did he clean his room. A metal door barred his entry. This is a simple sentence. A metal door, subject, barred his entry, predicate. He did the same and the door opened noiselessly. He did the same, that is one sentence. And the door opened noiselessly is another sentence, joined by and conjunction. So he is the subject, the door is the subject, and other one, the did the same, open noiselessly is the predicate. Who is doing here? He. And the second part of the sentence, the door opened noiselessly. Subject is the door. Okay. Tillu had underestimated the security agreements. That is a simple sentence. Tillu is a subject, had underestimated the security arrangement is the predicate. Second sentence, he did the same and the door opened noiselessly. It is two sentences together, so it is a compound sentence. People were crowded around the big TV screen. Simple sentence. People were crowded around the big TV screen. People subject were crowded around the big TV screen. Predicate. It changed only slightly, but the change was sufficient. So but is used to join two sentences. So you have it as a compound sentence. It changed only slightly. It is a subject, changed only slightly, predicate. The change was sufficient to upset the balance of nature on his planet. Change is a subject, was sufficient to upset the balance of nature on his planet is a predicate. So easily you can find out. Same thing, using this fanboys, you can make a compound sentence. Next is, you can just note down this, how to make a compound sentence. Okay. Contrast irundhaduna but use panna. Same like things are there. And two friends are having a conversation. They are giving a conversation here. I was stuck in traffic, so I had to rush to class. I had never been stuck in traffic, nor I have been ever late to school. Both are speaking. I honestly thought the teacher would be angry, but she did not say anything. That is because our teacher is very understanding, or she knows when someone is telling the truth. So go through this, children. Thank you.